pew, 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 pew. How you doing? Welcome back to Super Surge's Classroom. Today I'm going to talk about comparing order and decimals. So I'm going to use these Funko Pops. I bought them just for this video. Okay, I'm just kidding. They're mine. So when we compare and order numbers, we're comparing to see what numbers are greater than others, what numbers are less than others, right? So I have 4 of my favorite Funko Pops. These were my favorite growing up. Green Power Ranger, my favorite Power Ranger of all time, and Goldar. They used to just go at it all the time. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Then I got Roronoa Zoro from One Piece. Boom! And Kakashi. Oh, Goldar fell. Man down. So, how do we compare order numbers? One way I do it is I line them up. Right? First, you might see the word problem in different types of ways, but I still do them the same way all around. So first, we're going to compare and order prices, right? So first, I'm going to write the price down for each of these. So my Green Power Ranger, and I'm not doing it in any order. My Green Power Ranger was, green one was $24.89. All right. Kakashi was $15.94. Zoro was $17.95. And Goldar, who fell, man down, was $14.88. Boom. So we're gonna go from least to greatest. Now, first thing we have to do is we have to house them. So I draw a line a vertical line up and down between the place values. I break each place value up. So if I'm looking, let's go from least to greatest. So if I'm looking for the smallest number, I start at the largest place value, right? So tens, I look at the tens. So 2, 1, 1, 1. So I know that 1 is the smallest place value, right? But I need to know which one is the smallest out of all of them. So I go to the next place value. So we're in the ones. Now I look which one is the smallest. So once I found the smallest, 14. So I label 14. I give it a check mark. I say, oh, no, not a check mark. I put a 1 because I'm putting them in order from least to greatest. So the second smallest number would be the 5. 5 is smaller than 7. So I would put a 2. And then, of course, I put 3. And since I know the 2 is greater than all these numbers, I know that's the greatest. So now I would put these in order. So I'll make sure that the 14.88 will go first. Then the 15.94 will go second. Third place would be the $17.95. And in the last place would be $24.89, right? So it doesn't matter what the word problem says. I would line them up like this and compare them. And let's go ahead and do another one, right? So we're going to do shoes this time. Wait, I'll start over here. Boom! My up tempo. Kind of stink. Hold on. I wore them the other day, so you can see. Actually, I wore them earlier today, so my up tempos. They cost me $140. Move these out the way. And 72 cents. All right. My Air Max. Now these don't smell. I haven't worn them in a while. My Air Max 90s. They cost me $129.90. And my Zooms, I got these on sale. Boom, I haven't worn these in a while. Still almost brand new. I think I wore them once or twice. I paid $108. $108.25. And last but not least, Air Max 95s. Air Max 95s, I paid $162.38. So on the previous one, we did least to greatest. So here we're going to do greatest to least. Same thing. I draw a vertical line in between the place values, and I make sure that the decimal point stays on the same side. So I break them each, and I call this housing. So each one has its own house. We have the largest place value is hundreds, and we have tens, ones, tenths, and hundreds. So make sure that each one is placed in its own house, right? So I don't mix them up. So if I'm going from least to greatest to least, I'm at the first, at the largest place value. So ones, ones, one, one. So they're all equal, right? Then I go to the next place value, the tens. So I look for the largest number, 4206. So this one is the largest. So I'm gonna put 1. Then I go back up and see which is the second largest. So 4 is greater than the 2, and the 2 is greater than the 0. So I'll put 3 here, and then I'll put 4 here. So when I'm looking at the answer choice and I'm comparing them, I already know that 162.38 is greater, should be front. Then I'm looking for 140.72. That should be next, second. Third position should be 129.90. And last place should be 108.25. And that's how I compare and order decimals, compare and order rational numbers. So this is an easy way. First, I house them, and then I go from the largest place value, and I identify if I'm looking for the smallest number or the largest number. I identify those first, if I'm doing least to greatest or greatest to least. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.